there guys, this is Tracey here and welcome back to ToyBroadway, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sylvanian Families washing machine set. So let's get started. So inside there's a little Sylvanian Families collectibles catalogue full of lots of lovely things. They look amazing. And let's tip out the box to see what's inside. Okay, so we have a little wash basket in the set. It looks so cute. There's a little shelf. Put the washing basket on there. And what do we have in this little packet? We have some washing powder and some fabric softener. And it looks like here we have the washing machine itself. Oh, it's so cool! I love it! Wow, we can see right inside. The drum even moves round. All we have to do is to do this and it makes it move. Cool. And what do we have here? Oh, we have some stickers and some blankets. So let's put some stickers on the front of the washing machine, shall we? Here's all the buttons and where to start and the on-off button. And we have little stickers for the bottles. That's very cute. So we've come to visit the Chocolate Bunny family in the Starry Point Lighthouse. So let's take a look inside. Mummy Chocolate Rabbit is so excited because she's just taken delivery of a new washing machine. And she's got some blankets to wash. She's got the soap and the conditioner at the ready. She opens up the door to the washing machine and puts the soap and the conditioner in, and next in go the blankets. Then she shuts the door firmly, switches the machine on and starts it running. Oh wow, that's so cool! Little sister Chocolate Bear loves to watch the washing go round and round and round until it's ready. The washing machine makes a loud bleeping noise. That means that it's ready. And Mummy Chocolate Rabbit takes the blankets out of the washing machine to peg them on the line. Mummy Chocolate Rabbit and little sister Chocolate Rabbit love the new washing machine. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite Sylvanian family accessory. Daddy Chocolate Rabbit and little brother Chocolate Rabbit think that it's such fun using the new washing machine that Mummy Chocolate Rabbit has to go and find some more washing. Be sure to like this video and share with all of your friends. Also, subscribe to this channel for lots more toy fun. Tap on any of the boxes to continue watching.